Hello, my dear YouTube family. How do you do? I hope you will be fine and doing great in your life and learning this language very well. And I most welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Varsha. And this is Varsha, and I welcome to all of you. And yeah, I'm also quite well and doing great in my life and learning this language very well. My dear friends, you know very well today is day 22 of my speaking challenge, so that is why I'm sitting outside of my house and recording myself. You know, dear friends, just I gave myself 50 days challenge. So, yes, I'm so happy because I have completed 21 days out of 15 days, and today is 22 day 22 of my speaking challenge. So I'm so happy, I'm so energetic and I'm feeling so energetic nowadays because just I'm trying to maintain my consistency every day, and it is very tough task for me to maintain my consistency, but it is very important for me to maintain this because I want to improve my speaking skills. So that is why it is my responsibility to follow the regularity, to follow the consistency. Yes, so come to the point, and just today is day 22 of my speaking challenge. And dear friends, uh, in this video, I'm going to share with all of you a very special topic. Today, I have very interesting and very significant topic for you. So one more thing is that if you didn't say subscribe my channel till now, so please first of all subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you can get easily all the notifications, all the informations related to my all videos. Yes, so dear friends, today I have very special topic for you, and the name of this topic is the power of positive thinking. You listen very well, the power of positive thinking. So this video is going to be very interesting, amazing, and very informative. So please watch this video till the end. So without wasting our precious time, without wasting any single moment, we start this video. Dear friends, you know very well that nowadays every person, everybody is busy, in all the things, very busy, nowadays. So my dear friends, uh, and they just feeling so boring in their life because of some regions, and they have so many different kind of regions. But you know very well that there are two types of thinking, just every people have in their life, uh, positive thinking and negative thinking. So today we will discuss about positive thoughts, positive manners, positivity, positive thinking. So dear friends, according to me, if I talk about uh, thinking, positive thinking, so according to me, positive thinking can change our life totally. It can change our life totally, it can change our whole life. Yes, so because positivity gives us more strength, more power, more knowledge, means how we can manage our problems, how we can face all the situations, whatever problems just come in our life. And it gives us so strength, so power, so um, thinking capacity in a right way. And it gives us right guidance. So means how we should think, and what is right for our life, for what is wrong for our life, what is good for our bright future, what is not good our bright future. So many things. If you think positive, and if you have positivity in your mind, so it gives a lot of hope, it gives us a lot of happiness, joy. Yes, so positivity fulfills our life with joy and happiness. But it depends on your thinking, it is depend on your mindset. How do you think? How do you think? What is your mindset? Yes, it is totally depend on your mindset. Yes, so positive thinking just gives us the more energy, and more real guidance, proper guidance to maintain our responsibility, to maintain our um, regularity. And it gives us more knowledge how we can face our all the situations related to our family, related to our personally, professionally, and what kind of problems, what kind of responsibilities we have. So if you think positive, if you have a positive mindset, yes, positive mindset, and if you think positivity in your mind, so you can handle, you can easily handle, you can easily manage all their responsibilities very well if you think positive. Yes, because if you think negative, if you have negativity in your mind, so because negativity makes us mentally weak, physically weak, personally weak, yes, so professionally weak. But if you think positive, if you have positivity in your mindset, in your thinking capacity, so just positivity, positive mindset makes you mentally strong, physically strong, professionally strong. Yes, so many regions, so many regions of thinking positivity. Yes, so my dear friends, according to me, positive thinking, it's very very important for our bright future, for our success, for our personal life, for our professional life. If we want success in our life, if we want to achieve so any kind of achievement, any kind of success in our life, so it is very 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 important to think positive, to think in a right path. Yes, so positivity plays very very vital role in our life, in our success life. Okay, it gives us more knowledge, more options. Yes, and one more thing is that positivity just opens so many options, so many opportunities, so many chance to take right decision. Yes, to take right decision for your right future, for your right success. It gives us so many opportunities. So my dear friends, in my point of view, this is the power of positivity. If you think positive, if you have a positivity, so you can change your whole life, you can achieve anything, anything, whatever desire you have in your mind, whatever you want to achieve, you know, in your life. So if you think positive, if you have positive point of view in your life, so because of positivity, you can change everything and you can get everything. So dear friends, it is very very important nowadays to think positive. Yes, to work on a right way. So because it gives us more strength, more power to take right decision in our life, what is good for our life, what is bad for our life, what is right path, what is wrong path, what should we do for our bright future, and what should we not do for our bright future. So many reasons. Yes, because of positivity, it gives us so many options. It makes our life happy, enjoyable. Yes, so dear friends, according to me, this is the right definition of positivity. This is the power of positive thinking, according to me. And but I don't know about your thinking. How do you think about this topic, means positivity? So please please, if you agree with my opinion, if you are agree with it, so please tell me by commenting. And please tell me your suggestions, your express your views, your thoughts related to this topic, the power of positivity, the power of positive thinking. Please please share with me all your thoughts, all your opinions. Okay, so this is what I which I wanted to share with all of you regarding to this topic, positive thinking. You know friends, whenever I feel demotivated, whenever I feel nervous, and whenever just negative ideas just come in my mind, that time I talk to myself. I talk to myself and I just think in a positive way. Yes, so just I have totally focused on a positive thinking. Just I avoid negative thinking. Yes, and just I try to catch positive thinking, and always just I try to maintain my positivity. This is the reason. Just nowadays I'm thinking positive and I'm doing practice, and I decided that I will learn this language because of my thinking capacity. Yes, it is depend on you. It is depend on your mindset. How do you think, and what do you think? What do you want for your future, for your life? Yes, if you want success in your life, so first of all, you will have to take responsibility for your right decisions. Yes, so first of all, this is first priority of you to think positive. Please, please, yes, maintain your positivity. Yes, no, just no, don't worry about this. Just I'm making mistakes. I'm not a successful person, but you one day you will achieve anything. But it is depend on your thinking capacity. It is depend on your mentality. It is depend on your mindset. Yes, so dear friends, positivity gives you a lot of power, a lot of guidance, proper guidance, a lot of right path, what is correct for your future, and what is right way for your life. So it gives us a lot of guidance, and it makes our life full joyful and happy. So dear friends, positivity plays very very vital role of every person. So please think positive, stay positive, and stay happy. Yes, so and don't worry about negativity. Yes, and please pay attention about positive thinking. Yes, don't think about negativity, just think about positive way, positive thoughts, positive idea, positivity, and make your mind positive. Yes, so dear friends, this is what which I wanted to share with all of you, and according to me, this is the right definition of positivity. This is the right power of positive thinking, so which I wanted to share with all of you according to me. So please give me your suggestions, and please send me your reply, your response, your opinion, your thoughts, your imaginations. What do you think about this topic? Please send me your opinion, your thoughts by commenting. So I think it is enough for today, my dear friends. And nowadays I'm feeling so energetic, so confident, because I think that my speaking skill is improving day by day, step by step, because of doing practice every day. And I always try to maintain my consistency. I always to do practice more and more and more. Yes, because I know very well, without doing practice a lot, without follow the consistency, without maintaining the consistency, we can't improve in this learning language. And it is a journey, not a race. So we will improve gradually, step by step. Yes, so you know very well, this is a language, not a race. So please have patience, keep learning, keep enjoying this language, keep watching and keep supporting my videos. And if you think this video is little bit helping for you, and this video is helps you little bit, and this video is very very beneficial for you, so please don't forget subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you can get easily all the notifications, informations related to my all videos. So please and do share this video everywhere. Yes. So my dear friends, this is my thought, this is my opinion, this is my personal views related to this topic, which I have shared with all of you. So please keep watching, keep supporting, and please subscribe my channel. So dear friends, we will meet in next video with new thoughts, new ideas, new topics. Till that, please take care of yourself and keep watching. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.